So it's not starting. This the next morning. I got it to start. I'm letting it run. That's what it's doing. Wipers is moving really slow. So let's go give it a jump. And my wipers just keep going back and forth because they broke. I'll show y'all that too. So we're gonna give it a that feels good. Let's see if she starts. Started right up. Let's take this round to the back. So if your car got that battery saver mode, I'm about to show y'all what it is. Let's go to the garage. Alright, got it in the garage. So, give you a little story. So maybe about a month ago, I was driving. Battery saver mode light came on. And I'm talking about it cut off everything on the dash. I couldn't even drive no more. So I got out the car. Make a long story short, my alternator started glowing up. So all of a sudden I knew that was the alternator. So I changed the alternator, charged the battery up. Next thing you know, the car was riding fast. About a week later, it did it again. I'm finna show you why. Boom! Bad battery. We need to replace the battery. This the reason right here that it stopped, that it had to pull that code up, that battery saver mode. So let's get to it. As we know, Dodge Chargers batteries are in the trunk. Oh shit. Let me take that all this up out of here. I'll be back. Alright, so I cleared all that junk. Battery back in the back, right here. So, get your multimeter. I'm gonna check it out for y'all. Battery sat in mode. Oh, can you see the zero? Alright, cool. .8 volts. Kind of lost y'all for a second, but I basically got my battery tester, put a load on it. See, test it out. 100% charge, 100% health. It's a new battery. I put my tester on the battery that's in there. It came up bad battery. And it has 0% health and like 40% charge. So let's put a new battery in, man. In some cases, you can get away with just changing a battery. But I had to change the alternator because... Alright, so let's change this battery. 10 millimeter. Go quick right here, four. Let's go in. Go down here, 10. Shoot me. Yep. Alright, so got the new battery right here. But what I like to do, I like to go, if you got one, if not, get some sandpaper or whatever. I like to go and get one of these, clean the terminals off first real good. I'm about to do that now. And then go on and clean the terminals off real good. That way we can prevent corrosion later. So let me do that and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm done cleaning. Everything nice, good. It's time to go ahead and hook the cables back up and tie the battery back down. I put it on the wrong side. Let me turn that over. Much better. Don't do what I just did. The positive go down there. Alright, so let's get to it, man. Alright. Alright, make sure that's all tight now. What I like to do, I like to use this right here. This, you know, clean, make sure no build up, no prevents corrosion, and it protects against like moistures and stuff like that. So just spray it on, and it helps seal it a little bit better too. I'll just spray that on. Let that dry and you good. Alright guys, moment of truth. Uh-oh, sounding better already. Alright, Claw. Let's see if you start up, man. Ready? Ooh, yeah. Start right up with no problems. Right up with no problems. Got something for y'all. Let me check the alternator and see if everything's charging. Alright, so let's test this out. Start it back up. Car started, alternator charging. So if y'all got that battery saver mode, you know what it is, man. Change that battery. And this broke, like I was telling y'all earlier. Somebody hit me, man, outside. I'm mad as hell. But you see that? It's cool. Show y'all what happened. So I went and grabbed it, and I pulled it by accident, and boom, it broke off. And then I twisted. So it's already just stuck. So we ordered a new one. This should be coming in. But oh, this still works though. Hey, even though, if y'all want to stick around, see that video, let me know, man. I'm gonna show y'all how to do the side mirror and change your turn signal switch. Let's get it. Oh, and if you like this video, man, comment, like, subscribe, man. And if y'all got that same similar symptoms, let me know what happened. So, put a matter of fact, comment down below. Let everybody else know what happened, what you have to do so everybody could, it might be a different way. So let's just comment. Let's see what's cracking, man. Y'all get it.